let's do a quick unboxing of Elgato Stream Deck Plus. I just got this Elgato Stream Deck Plus and I wanted to share this with you guys. If you create content, record videos, do live calls, or even run an online business, this kind of stuff actually saves time. Let's do a quick unboxing and see what's inside the box. Here you go. So first of all, the packaging is really cool, clean, the typical Elgato style packaging. This looks like a manual. So I ordered white Stream Deck because all the aesthetics on my desk is white, and this looks cool. So it has knobs, it has different buttons to configure them separately. Okay, what's inside next? Okay, I can see a USB to USB-C cable, which is 2.0 with 4 Mbps speed, which is good because, to run this kind of a device, you need a wire, which lifts a lot of load. And then we have this manual in place, normal manual how to configure this. Okay, this is some precautions thing. Let's get this. Nothing else in the box. Let's keep the stuff back. So I'll use this white wire because I like everything white. I should use this wire because this wire will have the higher speed. The main reason I bought this because of these knobs here. You get a physical dials, which means I can control things like volume, mic level, lighting, and even switch scenes without touching my mouse. There are different buttons. These are the different buttons which you can fully customize. One button can open apps, another one can actually mute your mic, one can start recording whatever you want. So I use OBS software on my system here, and I can configure OBS onto Stream Deck Plus. Solid build quality, doesn't feel cheap at all. It's a plug and play device. Just connect it, install the software, and you're good to go. For me personally, this is not about looking cool on the desk because I have a lot of stuff already sitting on my desk. It's more about working faster, staying focused, and not breaking flow while recording or working, whole day long. So I want to make this, my desk as productive as possible so that I can, with a click of one button, I can perform different actions. For sure, I will share later how I actually use this in my day-to-day life for YouTube, for my meetings internally. Going on a Google Meet and Zoom calls, and how I optimize my agency work altogether. Let's see this up and see how it performs. I will share that in next video. If you want, you can comment below and let me know if you have any questions about this while I'm using it. Thanks for watching.